I think I'm just gonna jump right in. Yeah. I'm just gonna jump right in, dude. Dude. Oh. Taco Bell is so fucking good, dude. What do you think?
Yeah. I live by Taco Bell.
I don't know if I'm a hard shell or a soft shell kind of guy. I guess that's what we're gonna decide today. One more bite of this, just. I fasted for this. Alright. So that was a soft shell. Solid, of course. Yeah. Switch it up, a little hard shell action. Oh my god. I'm going back from work. Oh my god. I gotta say, best bang for your buck. By far. No, I can't get enough of this, dude. I can't get enough. It took me 30 minutes until I was tired to do this, and I'll tell you what. Worth it. 1000% worth it. No, I have to cut that out.
That's the downside to Taco Bell.
I'm gonna have to cut that out. You shit yourself.
That's content.
Dude, you just shit yourself.
Content.
In the middle of my food review.
That's my bad.
I'm gonna have to cut it out. He just shit himself. Dude, it stinks. Are you serious? Does it actually stink?
I didn't say Taco Bell, so take a guess.
I'm trying to eat here. Could you be more inconsiderate? I swear, I'm literally trying to eat here, and you just shit yourself. Damn. So we got a little bit of soft shell, a little bit of the hard shell. Personally, feeling the hard shell a little more. I like the crunch. I don't really like photosynthesis, so these bad boys, no lettuce. So the soft shell just kind of turns into straight mush, which I'm not a huge fan of. I will give it one more fair go. It's just, Okay, it's just tough, dude. It's so fucking good. Shit. I'm gonna wash it down. Hold on. Too full of water. I'm gonna wash it down. You said what?
I might drop a nuke.
Dude, I swear to God, if you blow the bathroom up again, I'm gonna be pissed. Last time you left the turd in the, I swear to God, I walked in there after you went to work. I walked in the bathroom like that. I said, dude, like
Today I was worried that thing was going down.
dude, literally.
It's actually
All right, last thing we got, the Center Twist. It's a classic.
It's like this in the twist.
Oh my God, I love Taco Bell so fucking much. One more, then we'll wrap up. Thanks for watching my Taco Bell review. I'm going hard shell over soft shell. Yeah.